Sven is a postman who lives in Stockholm with his brother. Sven starts work at 5:30. So he wakes up at 4:45. He puts on his uniform and walks to work. He doesn't have time to sit down and eat breakfast. So he usually eats a chicken sandwich on the way to work. He spends the morning delivering letters. He stops for lunch at 12. For lunch, he always eats a salad or a sandwich in the park. Sven finishes work at 3:30. He's often very tired, so he goes home and watches television. He cooks dinner at 6, and his favorite meal is fish or meat with potatoes. At 8:30, he has a shower and brushes his teeth. He goes to bed at 9:30 and falls asleep immediately.